In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set A4 paper as the default size in Microsoft Word. Whether you're preparing documents for business, study, or personal use, setting the right paper size can ensure your content is properly formatted for printing and readability. Let's dive in and make this adjustment seamlessly. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Word. Whether it's a new document or a pre-existing one, getting started is all about having the application ready. Once Word is open, take a moment to look at the ribbon at the top of your screen. This is where all your essential tools and options appear. The next step involves navigating over to the Layout tab. In some versions of Word, this might be labeled as Page Layout, so don't worry if you see a slight difference. Clicking here is crucial as this tab contains everything you need for your document's size, margins, orientation, and more. Now direct your attention to the Size option. Give it a click, and you'll see a drop-down list of various paper sizes. From this list, you'll want to select A4, which is 21 centimeters by 29.7 centimeters. A4 is an internationally recognized standard size, widely used in many countries for official documents. By selecting this, you'll ensure that your documents align with these global standards, especially if you're planning to share or print them. If you'd like to set A4 as your default paper size for all future documents, you're just a couple of steps away from locking that in. Look for the More Paper Sizes option at the bottom of the drop-down list and click on it. This action will take you to a more detailed menu. Inside this menu, make sure you're on the Paper tab. Check that A4 is selected for your document. It's so simple yet so vital, ensuring that any new document you create will automatically take on the A4 dimensions. Once that's confirmed, go ahead and click Set as Default. This click is like giving Word permission to always start your documents with these settings, saving you time and effort in the future. Finally, hit OK to save your changes. This button not only closes the window, but also solidifies all the selections you've made. With that, you're now set up so that any new Word document you open will automatically use A4 paper size by default, easing your workflow and aligning with international standards. There you have it, a quick and easy way to ensure your documents are always set to A4. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you feel more confident using Microsoft Word. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, happy formatting!